Imagine yourself in this 2015 Scion FRS. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: rear bench seat, power door locks, engine immobilizer, brake assist, stability control, front head airbag, cruise control, and AC. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.